Thank you for calling Rekey Xpress Locksmith for your commercial and residential locksmith needs. We would like to introduce you to our mobile locksmith service coach known affectionately as Lockzilla. Lockzilla is a 25-passenger coach that has been renovated and provides us with 3 workstations and a small customer waiting area for inclement weather. In April of this year, we'll begin providing automotive key services from this coach. I'll post a video of the exterior work in a couple of weeks as we complete that phase of the renovation.